Good morning students. Welcome back to part 3 from Lines and Angles. In previous class, we have learned how to identify different types of angles. Now, we will learn about various pairs of angles. What do you mean by pair? Pair means two. Now, the first one is about complementary angles. Now here, observe the two angles. The first one is 30 degrees and the other one is 60 degrees. Now if we add the two angles, we get 90 degrees. So here 30 degrees and 60 degrees are called complementary angles because as their sum is 90 degrees. So we can say that two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. And we can also say that the complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees and the complement of 60 degrees is 30 degrees. So from this we can say that each one is called complement of other. Now here you have some examples. You have to find the complementary angle of the given angle. Now what is the first one here? The first one is 20 degrees. Now what is the complementary angle of 20 degrees? Here to get 90 degrees, which angle to be added? Yes, it is 70 degrees. Now how did we get this 70 degrees? If we subtract 20 from 90 degrees, we get this 70 degrees. So here 70 degrees is the complementary angle of 20 degrees. Now come to the next one. What is the complementary angle of 15 degrees? Which is 75 degrees. How did we get this 75 degrees? From 90, if you subtract the given angle 15 degrees, then we get this. Now last one. What is the complementary angle of 45 degrees? 45 degrees. The same angle we got it here. Now here the two angles are complement to each other and they are equal. So one thing you have to remember here, each angle in any pair of complementary angle is always acute. Now if you observe here, 20 degrees and 70 degrees are complementary angles and they are acute. And here 75 degrees, 15 degrees are acute angles. Here 45 degrees are acute angles because the sum of two angles must be 90 degrees. So they are acute. Now come to the next one. Supplementary angles. Now again observe the angles here. 110 degrees and 70 degrees. Now here what is the sum of two angles? 110 degrees plus 70 degrees which is 180 degrees. It means two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. And also we can say that each one is called supplement of other. So 110 degrees supplement is 70 degrees, 70 degrees supplement is 110 degrees. Now let us find the supplementary angle of the given angles. The first one is 40 degrees. Here what is the supplementary angle of 40 degrees? 140 degrees. How did we get this? If you subtract 40 degrees from 180 degrees, we get this. Same way, what is the supplementary angle of 100 degrees? Yes, it is 80 degrees. How did we get this? If we subtract 100 degrees from 180 degrees, then we get. Now the last one is supplementary angle of 90 degrees is 90 degrees. Because 180 degrees minus 90 degrees is 90 degrees. So the last one is example of pair of equal angles which are supplement to each other. So remember, both angles in any pair of supplementary angles cannot be acute or obtuse, but it can be 90 degrees. So it can be both 90 degrees, but it can't be both acute and both obtuse. If one angle is acute, the other one is obtuse. If one angle is obtuse angle, the other one is acute. So from this we can say two acute angles cannot form supplementary angles because sum of two acute angles always less than 180 degrees. Good. The next one. Adjacent angles. Children, observe the figure here. We have angle AOC. Now here ray OB divides angle AOC into two angles. What are the two angles? Angle AOB, angle BOC. Angle AOB and angle BOC. As we know that every angle has one vertex and two arms. First, for angle AOB, what is the vertex? O. What are the arms? OA and OB. Now when it comes to angle BOC, what is the vertex? O is the vertex. And what are the arms? OB and OC. Now if you observe this table, for these two angles, what is the vertex? O. So here O is the common vertex. What is the common arm? OB. Ray OB is the common arm. Here ray OB is the common arm, O is the common vertex. When two angles are having the common vertex and common arm, then they are said to be adjacent angles. Now you see the definition. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex and common arm. So from the figure, what are the adjacent angles? Angle AOB and angle BOC are called adjacent angles. Now come to the next concept, very important concept, which is a linear pair. It is very important concept. Now you see this figure. Here are two angles. Tell me, is these two angles are adjacent? Yes, because for angle PQS and SQR, Q is the common vertex. What is the common arm here? QS. Now here, non-common arms you observe here, QP and QR. These two non-common arms are in opposite direction and which forms a straight line. What is sum of angles on a straight line here? 130 degrees plus 50 degrees, which is 180 degrees. It means pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees is called a linear pair. Now you see the definition here. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees. 180 degrees is called straight angle. Is called a linear pair. If the sum of two adjacent angles, if it is 180 degrees, called as a linear pair. So from the figure, angle PQS and angle SQR. Angle PQS and angle SQR, which gives 180 degrees. So the two angles together form a linear pair. Now one thing, as we learned in the supplementary angles, two angles whose sum is 180 degrees is called supplementary angles. So all linear pair angles are always supplementary. Now here linear pair, to understand the concept very clear, here is a model. Observe the model, children, here. Now here if you observe, these two are adjacent angles. It is a common arm. Non-common arms are in opposite direction, which forms a straight line. Now you observe here. Here the angle between two rays is 50 degrees and here is 130 degrees. So 50 degrees plus 130 degrees, 180 degrees, which forms a linear pair. Now here just I am moving the common arm. Now what is the angle between two rays here? 70 degrees and here 110 degrees. So 70 degrees plus 110 degrees, 180 degrees, which forms a linear pair. Now again, Here angle between two rays 80 degrees and here 100 degrees. So 80 degrees plus 100 degrees, 180 degrees, which forms a linear pair. Now you see here. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, 180 degrees, which forms a linear pair. Now you see here. Here 70 degrees and here 110 degrees, which is 180 degrees, forms a linear pair. Now can you say the angle here? Here 55 degrees and here 125 degrees. So 55 degrees plus 125 degrees, 180 degrees, which forms a linear pair. Next one. 40 degrees here and here 140 degrees. So 40 degrees plus 140 degrees, 180 degrees, which forms a linear pair. Like this, we can give many examples of linear pair angles with this model. Okay children, I hope you understand. With this, I end today's session. Learn whatever the explained concept thoroughly and complete given assignment sums. Thank you.